In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the offset command in AutoCAD quickly and easily. Offset is one of the most useful tools in AutoCAD because it lets you create parallel lines, duplicate circles, or make evenly spaced shapes without redrawing them from scratch. Whether you're working on floor plans, mechanical parts, or simple drafting practice, offset can save you a huge amount of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the command line and type offset, then press enter. You can also access the offset tool from the modify panel if you prefer using the ribbon, but typing the command is usually the fastest method. Once the command is active, AutoCAD will prompt you to enter the offset distance. This distance is the exact spacing between your original object and the new copied object, so choose the measurement you need for your drawing. Type in the distance and press enter. Now, AutoCAD is ready for you to select the object you want to offset. This can be a line, a polyline, a circle, an arc, or many other supported objects. Click on the object once to select it. After that, move your cursor to the side where you want the offset to appear. AutoCAD will show a preview of the new object before you click, which makes it easy to see if you're placing it in the correct direction. Once you're happy with the preview, click on the side where you want the offset, and AutoCAD will create the new object at the distance you entered. If you need more than one offset, you can keep repeating the process. After creating the first offset, select the original object again and click on the correct side to create another copy. This is especially helpful when you need multiple parallel lines at the same spacing or when you're building repeated shapes in a layout. Just keep clicking until you have the number of offsets you need. When you're finished, simply press enter to end the offset command. That will exit the tool and return you to normal drawing mode. At this point, you've successfully used offset in AutoCAD to create precise, evenly spaced copies of your objects. This command is a great shortcut for speeding up your drafting workflow, and once you get comfortable with it, you'll use it all the time. It helps keep your drawings accurate, clean, and much easier to edit later on. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.